Hey everyone, my name is Alden Dirks, and this is my COM 310 project, the Smitty Project. This is a website I put together. It is about drones, and I had a lot of fun putting it together. I have a homepage here with just a simple introduction and a welcome, and what it's about. And then I have a little bit about drones, and we have a link here that leads to the drone page right here. A lot of my styling has vanished since I've clicked on the page and gone through it. But normally these would be a different color, and they highlight different colors when I clicked on, and then down here these links will do the same thing. So they're not always a blue color, they're actually this green color that you see right here, so they do stand out a little bit stronger, but because I've clicked through it, it doesn't really show up properly. We have a blog page here, which covers some of the adventures I have with my own personal drone, who is named Smitty. He is a DJI Spark. He was kind of the inspiration for the color scheme of this blog, where I took the blue color that was similar to him and just kind of ran with it and got some darker grayish shades of blue going on in here, and had some green as an accent color. If I had more posts, these buttons would click through, but they unfortunately don't because I don't have any more posts at the moment. I have a link here which leads to my personal YouTube page with the Smitty Project, and you can go and check that out if you'd like. It just covers a little bit more in depth some of the videos we make with Smitty. Right here we have a drones page, just information about drones and a couple drones. I might add some more later down the road, and just different brands and everything, but I focus on the two drones that I've personally flown, the DJI Spark and the DJI Mavic Pro. They're really fun, and I just have short descriptions and my personal opinions about them. I have an about page here, just about me, the author of the page, and why I made this site, and just some of a little bit about me with a little photo of myself. Then I have a contact page here, which you can use to reach out to me. Just basically, it doesn't work, but you can type in information here. You can put in your name, email, have it all work, and it's pretty straightforward, basically. And then you have a little comments section here, but like I said, that doesn't work. It's just for show right now, since I don't have it set up with that quite yet. I thought the most challenging aspect of this was getting everything to lay out. I did kind of choose a little bit more complicated of a design, where I had backgrounds here and trying to get the images to work with the text and lay out properly. So I had a little bit of a challenge with that and getting them to line up properly and everything like that. I also, my original design concept, I had the page actually, the boxes running off to the edge of the page and just kind of going all the way across, just with the lines and everything. But the way I designed it and laid it out, it just didn't quite work out that way, so I got a little creative with some of my gradients and shading. So thank you so much for watching, and all the advice you guys have given over the semester was super helpful, and that is my project.